A function f from a set D to another set E is a rule that assigns element x in set D to a unique element fx in set E. The collection of all elements x, which is set D, is called domain of the function, and the collection of all fx values is called range of f. Range set need not to be equals to E. Consider an example f of x equals to x square. In this case, f function is assigning each x value a single value in the form of x square by the rule fx equals to x square. Since any real number can be squared, so domain of this function is the entire set of real number, that is interval minus infinity to infinity. And since square of any real number is always a non-negative real number, so range of f is equals to interval 0 to infinity. We can also visualize function as a machine. When we feed this machine to an input value x from its domain, we get the output in the form of fx, an element from the range set. Consider this machine as a handheld calculator with f as the square root key. Whenever we give a non-negative real number as the input and press this key, output in the form of fx. A function can be pictured as an arrow diagram. So this represents sets D and this represents set E. Each arrow associates an element in set to a unique element in set E. It is perfectly okay that two different elements of D are mapped to the same element in E. It is also okay that an element in E is not associated with any element in set D. But the definition of function does not allow a single element in D is mapped to two different elements in set E.